You know, I've seen countless videos on YouTube, people demonstrating their exhaust on their bikes, mainly for me watching Aprilias, and the guys that love to spend all that money on the Sparks and the SC projects. Don't get me wrong, great exhaust, very expensive. You guys are kind of missing the boat. There's a great exhaust that is significantly cheaper. Let me show you here. Oh, can't really see it too good. That's a good old-fashioned Werkes pipe. Probably less than half of an SC project. Would you guys like to hear it?